In this video, we will give you a short overview of how your end users interact with the process application you built in TeamWorks. Let's have a look. TeamWorks provides a standard portal that lets your employees, partners, and even end customers execute and manage processes. When you log in, you are immediately presented with your latest list of tasks, actions, and reports. Remember that we created a process application for new insurance policies in our last video. Let's see how an agent starts that process out now. First, the agent completes a life insurance policy application. That's how the agent is stepped through this activity. We call this coaching in TeamWorks. This guided approach reduces training time for new agents and ensures consistency. As the agent completes the application, any information that exists in other systems can be leveraged in TeamWorks. Here, customer profiles from an existing CRM system are used to save time filling out the application. As information is entered, TeamWorks validates everything, ensuring that business policies are enforced and data errors are caught right up front. The result is a more efficient experience for the end user and better data quality for the process. Once the agent submits an application, tasks will appear for other users in this process. Let's look now at how another participant in this process, an underwriter, uses the portal. The first thing that jumps out is the task list, an at-a-glance view of all outstanding work based on what processes, work queues, and roles this underwriter belongs to. Note that you can create any number of views of your task work, by case, by history, by team. Selecting any task opens the task detail. Here you can see diverse information about the task, including what work has been completed prior to this, any discussion points raised by the team, a folder with document attachments. For more detail about how this task fits into the overall process, you can select the process diagram. This picture should be familiar. It's the process diagram you built back in the TeamWorks authoring environment. Note the user can see exactly where she is in the process at any time. As before, running a task brings up the forms required for that activity. Here, our underwriter has to review the policy application and indicate if there are any additional requirements for this person. Note that all work history is available at a glance, eliminating questions and searching for information in documents. One of the unique things about the TeamWorks portal is the focus on performance. Our portal includes over 50 standard reports to give you detailed insight into the performance of individuals, teams, and processes. So any process you create is automatically instrumented without you having to do any work as the application developer. Here, an underwriter can review her performance at any time using the standard My Performance reports. This tells her exactly how she's doing compared to goals and what work she should focus on. Of course, performance visibility is essential to managers as well. With the standard My Team Performance reports, TeamWorks lets managers drill into specific performance bottlenecks, allowing them to balance workload and work queues and see which individuals are hitting goals and which are struggling. Managers can also track performance at the process level. Here, they can see which processes are on track and which are late or at risk, whether service level agreements are being violated, and how long different work items are taking. Besides these core process metrics, your managers might also want to track key business measures from the portal. TeamWorks allows them to build reports to track any information they need from the process. Here, policy managers can track product sales, sales programs, SLAs by region, and any other key measures. They can create as many scoreboards and reports as they like. Before BPM, it was difficult or impossible for managers to see this information. Now it is available in real time. This concludes our basic tour of what your end users see using the TeamWorks portal. To see how these same end users can access all of the same BPM capabilities using Microsoft Office applications, please watch the next video.